In a bid to reset ties, India's Foreign Secretary Vizir met Afghanistan's acting foreign minister in Dubai. The meeting marks the highest-ranking outreach with Taliban rulers. During the meeting, both sides discussed key issues including India's ongoing humanitarian assistance to Afghanistan, bilateral relations and regional security concerns. Highlighting India's historic friendship with the Afghan people and strong people-to-people contacts, Foreign Secretary Vizir reaffirmed India's readiness to respond to Afghanistan's urgent developmental needs. The Afghan minister appreciated India's continued support and they agreed to explore development projects in the near future and in addition to the ongoing humanitarian assistance program. In a gesture of goodwill and solidarity, India has been providing humanitarian assistance to Afghanistan to meet the needs of its people. As part of this effort, India has dispatched several shipments to Afghanistan consisting of essential items such as food, medicine, relief aid, agricultural assistance, polio doses, vaccines, hygiene kits for the drug de-addiction program, winter clothing, stationery kits, among others. As part of its outreach, the Indian side pledged to provide support to Afghanistan's health sector and refugee rehabilitation. The two sides also discussed strengthening of cricket cooperation, which is highly valued by the young generation of Afghanistan. India and the Afghan Taliban have also agreed to promote the use of Iranian port of Chabahar for trade and commerce with Afghanistan. This port is crucial for India to bypass Pakistan while transporting humanitarian assistance to Afghanistan. India's meeting with the Taliban regime marks a significant step forward, with the Afghan side acknowledging India's security concerns and both sides agreeing to maintain regular contact. This development is crucial for India as a stable Afghanistan is important for regional security.